what's really going on. Bitcoin, crypto, and currency. We're looking at Litecoin against USDT. We're looking at some of these key technical aspects of price action moving forward. We're looking for some of the pivotal areas of support and resistance I believe we're going to be interacting with in the very near future here. I know, let me know in the comments down below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish on price action? What are you doing with your bags if you have one? Are you accumulating at these levels? Are you bullish on Litecoin? Are we going to plow to and through $300, $400? Get to euphoric 5 digits, 6 digits per Litecoin, or are you bearish on price action? Are we heading, to and through all potential levels of supports and plummeting straight to zero? We're in a bear market. Everything's going to crash. Nothing is real. Let me know your thoughts on the direction of price action down in the comments section below now. Jump right into it. Lots of factors going on in the crypto sphere here. Lots contributing to the volatility present. Do believe overall we are still quite bullish. Nothing has confirmed, prolonged downside in my opinion. However, we are interacting with some very significant resistance in my opinion here. We have sell pressure present around $177. If we refer to previous interactions with this level, we have price action on the 15th of June of this year, getting slapped from 177, plummeting to and through 135 to find support off of 108. We refer also to price action on the 10th of January of this year. We have price action coming from 177 and plowing to and through 135 as well. However, bouncing before my support around that 108 level, we bounced off of 113. So buy pressure down below. Lots of volatility in the kind of short term here. I do suspect price action could very well see a very abrupt pullback or dip, a retracement, an interaction with some lows here moving forward before we see the multi-$100 levels, which I do believe are inevitable for price action moving forward. However, lots of factors in play could contribute to the bullishness of price action, and we could very well see ourselves on the upside here, back above 177 into these kind of higher levels. Now we're going to turn on EngineeringRobo. In addition to the fettuccine lines of zucchinis, we have new perspective coming into play here. Price action interacting with that significant resistance, as I mentioned, also correlating with the 0.382 Fibonacci level there, $172, showing significant sell pressure. We also have the underside of the 200 daily moving average, giving us a hard time as well moving forward. So there definitely is a lot of factors contributing to traders taking profit and the sell pressure present kind of overhead. However, the fundamental buy pressure overall of cryptocurrency, in my opinion, is very abundant. We even have EngineeringRobo getting bullish on price action since the 26th of July, and we've kind of continued ever since. If EngineeringRobo can stay bullish through all of this kind of downside and sideways, I do believe that is pending for a break upward, in my opinion. However, we have to be prepared for kind of all directions of price action. And so, in my opinion, if we were to experience, some abrupt downside, a pullback, and this, recovery takes, slightly longer, I do believe there is a psychological level of buy pressure around $150 per Litecoin. That's going to be a nice round level that I do believe traders might be accumulating at. We do have technical support around $135. If we are, so bearish enough in the kind of short term here, and this does become a more midterm, phase of accumulation, there's tons of room for support, all the way down to $100, which I believe is very unlikely for Litecoin moving forward. Probably the most kind of bearish I could be, kind of in this sort of scenario would be interaction with $135, which would be just another great buying opportunity, in my opinion. So lots going on for Litecoin right now. Lots of volatile factors contributing to price action. We're going to look at Litecoin against Bitcoin. We're going to see, how we're doing against cryptocurrency. We have price action currently being supported by EngineeringRobo, getting bullish on the, the 13th of August here. However, we do have price action, coming toward resistance present at 37.24 Satoshi, in my opinion. So, lots of conflicting buy and sell, technical aspects here. I do believe on the bullish kind of side of things, we have EngineeringRobo showing buy pressure and support. We are interacting with, in my opinion, a current, very large range of support. In my opinion, price action coming from, the kind of low end of this Fibonacci range, has the potential to fly to and through a lot of these levels and get back to the top of it. That 0.236 level, is looking not impossible for Litecoin, in my opinion. However, Definitely, a lot of factors contributing for to the sell pressure present at the moment, and we do have, like I said, that resistance at 37.24 Satoshi. I have another resistance level waiting for us at 41.26 Satoshi. We have the underside of the 200 daily moving average waiting for us as well. Once we get to it, I do believe we'll have to plow kind of through it and then return to it to find it as support. It's currently interacting with the kind of 0.786 Fibonacci level at 42.77 Satoshi. So we do have some levels to look out for moving forward. We could very well spend some time in this kind of zone of accumulation as we kind of find support in this range, interacting with very significant resistance. I don't think sideways would be very bearish for price action at the moment. I do believe that would be bullish area of accumulation. However, we have to be prepared for some downside, and we have been very bullish over the past kind of few weeks to recent months. So a very abrupt pullback, I do believe perhaps might be necessary for price action to gain the momentum necessary to kind of plow to and through its overhead resistances. So Litecoin overall, like I said, I'm still bullish on Litecoin. I suspect the upside in its kind of coming weeks to months. However, in the immediate short term, there might be some very volatile upside and downside waiting for us as we establish the kind of longer direction. But we're going to look at Bitcoin against USDT. We're going to see what's going on in the crypto sphere. Here we have price action experiencing resistance, finding its way below my $48,000 key level there. That is going to be significant, for us moving forward. We're going to have to see how we interact with it. If that becomes significant resistance, it might plow us to and through this 200 daily moving average, which wouldn't be too bearish in my opinion, because waiting for it is some very potent buy pressure appears to be present around $44,600 per Bitcoin, just below this 200 daily. There's a lot of buy pressure waiting for us here. I do believe as well we could come all the way down to this $41,500 level if we are so bearish and we get slapped from that 48K line. The 0.618 Fibonacci level is waiting for us, and that would be, finding support at that level would be great confirmation of a bottom for Bitcoin, and could get us more comfortably bullish on the kind of upside. However, in this very volatile state, in this tight range, there's a lot of factors contributing to the current volatility that we may see some very aggressive, swings both up and down moving forward. Currently, we're looking bullish. We have EngineeringRobo bullish since, the 24th of July. We have price action above the 200 daily moving average, but very tight resistance. Lots of fear, uncertainty, and doubt present in the market. So there are definitely lots of factors contributing to the uncertainty of the direction of price action. We could very well have this very great conflict of buy and sell pressure holding us potently sideways if we get if we just bounce up and down between 46K to like 50K for like 2 weeks for a month. I do believe that would be a great time to be accumulating altcoins, in my opinion. I do believe some great gains around the crypto market would occur during a sideways Bitcoin at this level. And perhaps the split perspectives of everyone thinking the direction it might go in the immediate short term could cause that, aggressive sideways. And that definitely does not seem impossible. So Bitcoin in a very pivotal state. I'm always bullish on Bitcoin. There's never a bad time to buy Bitcoin, only better times. If I bring your attention to the fear and FOMO zone here, we can still see that, a potential top for a, bull run, if you will, is still up there at the moment. What appears to be kind of like $111,000 per Bitcoin. So right now we're still looking at six figures. I do believe rather soon for Bitcoin. So there's definitely lots of factors kind of still in play contributing to the overall bullishness and the overall upside potential for Bitcoin. But at the moment we might be still in this phase of accumulation, in a phase of consolidation. We might have to solidify this level as support moving forward. But we're still looking at six figures. There still is 100K all the way up there. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Try EngineeringRobo free with the link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below. Let me know what you're doing with your bags if you have them down in the comment section. Are you accumulating at these levels? Are you bullish on price action? Or, are you bearish? Is this resistance? We're going to plow to and through all these key levels. We in a bear market, there's lots of tension between the very heavily divided, members of the crypto sphere present at the moment. I do believe, smart money is accumulating at all times. However, the aggressiveness of traders and the, speculation of cryptocurrency is very much contributing to its current state of volatility. Thank you for tuning in. Man, tune in for the next one.